Welcome back to my YouTube channel, to the Punch of Positivity series. We are already done with the affirmations, goal list and to-do list. Do comment me and tell me whether you are doing your affirmations, making your to-do list and setting your goals for 2021, because I want to see everyone by the end of the year in a better position. So what's the topic for today? Today I'll not create any kind of suspense. It's about what we face every day. Today I'm going to talk about failures. I doubt that anyone among us are away from failures. Everybody must have experienced failures. But what's important is how we take failures. So today morning, I was just going through some articles and I came to know that Ratan Tata also had a failure. When he started making Indica car, he wanted to help Indians by making a budget car. But what happened? He suffered huge losses. But what did he do from his failure? He learned from that. And he took steps to rectify it. And he was even offered by Ford, to buy his company. But they humiliated him. And that humiliation of failure made him work hard. He took a step-by-step strategy and he excelled and made that very company very profitable. And within no time, he made profits, and that too huge ones. And there was a time in 2008 when again Ford asked for help and they wanted to sell two cars to Ratan Tata, namely Jaguar and Land Rover. And now he had made those two cars proudly into a profitable business in India. That's what he has learned from his failure. What did he do? Do you think he must have slept somewhere wondering and dreaming that one day he'll do this? No, he must have worked hard for that, and that too step by step. What do you mean by step by step? As the name suggests, the failure can be conquered step by step. A very general thing that we see every day, staircase. Can you just jump from one level of a building to the other level of a building? No, it's not possible. We have to climb each step gradually to reach the other level of the building. What does it make? It makes two things. It breaks the journey step by step, saving our energy. And second, with each step you come closer to your goal. So remember, whenever you have faced problems or failures or humiliation because of your failure, don't shy away. Work hard, step by step, and then conquer your goal. Because one thing, humiliation and failures can be only smashed by one thing, and that is success, and that too a huge one. So all the best to you all to make your step-by-step strategy for your goals, because by each step only you will be coming closer to your goal. What we do while climbing the steps, we start climbing, we don't climb two steps and we stand there. We climb it with consistency. So first is breaking your goals into steps, and second is consistency. I think most of you must not be knowing about consistency. Let's understand it with a very small example. We drink water. Even now I am feeling thirsty. But for that, what I have to do? I have to get up from here and move to some other place to take a glass. And then I'll drink that. But will that one glass help me throughout the day? No, I have to keep drinking throughout the day, because a body requirement is about 3 liters every day. So I have to get up and I have to go there and I have to drink it consistently. Consistently, I'm emphasizing on this word consistently. Because for success you need two things: will and consistency. Your willpower is the fuel for the consistency. You know what will happen if you'll go and you'll drink 10 glasses of water? You will feel pukish. And what if you drink only one glass of water? You'll feel thirsty. And what if you go waterless? Oh man, you will be dehydrated. So this is the importance of step by step technique. We have to take steps with our willpower gradually, but those steps should be consistent. So all my viewers, promise me that you will achieve your goals one day by this step by step technique, and you will maintain your willpower and consistency to achieve it. Don't forget to comment me in the comment box, and do let me know that what you are doing. Are you adapting these techniques or not? My only purpose of making these videos is to help others to achieve what they want in life and to spread a bit of positivity. So stay tuned and keep watching this channel. Oh, don't forget to subscribe the channel and to press the bell icon. Oh, and don't forget to smash that like button and do share it with your friend and family. Till then, take care and bye-bye.